Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section, we are going to learn an advanced formula of Vlookup in Excel, which is called Xlookup. So everyone know about how to use the Vlookup. So we will learn Xlookup in detail. Let's start. So before starting our section, kindly ensure our data should be in table format only. So for this, we will press shortcut keys Control L, which will convert the data into table. Press OK. Select any format as you like. Then give some name to the data. So we are giving a name as student. Press enter. So here once the user enter any value in roll number, then here we require student name, blood group and total marks. So equals Vlookup, open bracket, and then click this cell for roll number, comma, select the table, comma, student name comes in second column, comma, we require exact match. So for this we will enter false, close bracket. What happened here? As of now we have not entered any roll number, that's why error came. Enter any value 6001. What is the student name? B Rakesh. 6002 R Srinivas. Perfect. In the same way we will enter formula here also. We look up, open bracket, select the cell, roll number, comma, select the table, then blood group, which is 1, 2, 3, third column, comma, false. R Srinivas, A minus. Okay, total marks. Select the cell, comma, select the table, comma, fourth column. Perfect. 480. In the same way, we will use Xlookup. Let's see how it works. Xlookup. Sorry. Here we will enter Xlookup. Select the cell, comma. Here we are not going to select whole table. So just we need to select the lookup array where we are setting the roll number in this column. Just select that column, comma, return array. Which details is required? Required student name column. So select this column, comma. If not found, what you want here? So not found. Otherwise, no records. Okay, comma. Match mode, exact match we required. So for this we will enter 0, comma, search mode. From where you want to search, from bottom to top or top to bottom. So this is not required. So we will close. Perfect. So here what happened? Automatically this we have not entered any data. That's why it's shown no records. Perfect. So here we will enter 6002. See here. Again we will enter another formula, same formula. Xlookup, open, select this cell, comma, where you want to search this data. Only this column only. Here we are not going to select whole data. So we are selecting only the column, comma, return array. So here blood group, select this column, comma, if not found. If you can also leave it blank if not required. Close. Perfect. Again, XLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, total marks we require. Select this column and close bracket. Perfect. So if you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.